In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mail merge in Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to run your mail merge. This can be a brand new spreadsheet or one that already has your contact list. The important thing is that your data is organized in a clear table format, with headers across the top row. For example, you might have columns like first name, last name, company, and email address. Keeping those headers clean and consistent will help the mail merge tool recognize your fields properly. Once you are in your spreadsheet, look at the top menu bar and find Extensions. This is where Google Sheets keeps add-ons and tools that extend what your spreadsheet can do. Click Extensions to open the drop-down menu. In this tutorial, we are using an add-on called Mail Merge. If you already have it installed, you will see it listed in the Extensions menu. Click Mail Merge to open it. After you select it, you should see the Mail Merge options appear, usually as a small panel or menu connected to the add-on. Now click Start. This begins the setup process for your mail merge. Starting the add-on is the key action that activates the tool and prepares it to work with the data in your sheet. If a sidebar opens, take a moment to review what it is showing you. Many mail merge add-ons will look at your header row and use those headers as the merge fields you can place into an email or template. As a quick tip, before you run a real campaign, it is a good idea to double-check that your header row is accurate and that your rows are filled in consistently. Even small differences like extra spaces or slightly different column names can cause merge fields to misbehave. It also helps to make sure there are no blank rows in the middle of your list, since that can sometimes interrupt how an add-on reads your data. After you click Start, you are officially ready to proceed with the mail merge process inside the add-on interface using the information from your spreadsheet. And that is all there is to it.